Baby ngiyachama. Sengiqedile ukuchama. Ngibuyela engubeni. No, but eating snack kancane. Baby ngivula ifridge. Ngikhipha i-cold drink efrijini. Ngivula ikhabethe. Ngithatha ama-peanuts, salted peanuts. Ngithatha isitsha. Ngithululela ama-peanuts.
It's an honor to be here, and it's my first time seeing the president. Hello, Cupcake.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you are watching this video from, it is Salute Lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. So namhlanje we are back again with the best local content. Let's go.
Mimi igama lami nguPhindile Cele. Ngiphuma emzimkhulu emakhaya. La eGoli ngize ngokusebenza. Into engithandayo kwenza ifani nje nabangani ngibuye TV ngihlale nefamily yami. Ngiyasebenza ne-domestic working. Into eyenza ukuthi ngize ngibhaleka sengemidleni. Futhi umuntu osebenzayo ongasebenzi ikhaya ngifuna ukuzoba inkinga. Ngifuna indoda enemoto. Anyway, ngifuna khona masifuna ukuyikhipha mange office somewhere sehamba asithatha amatekisi as-65 sihamba ngemoto yamali nilidingo sami ezokuphuma ukuprovide njengomuntu wesifazane ngiyalethanda ngisonisebenzisa njengomuntu wesifazane ngikhoke kahle njengobona yabona imali le ngoba ngisebenza ngoba ngiyayithanda ufuna indoda nje noma engathekeli ikhiphe nje noma nje 3000 ithi mina mama motheni ingiphe nje imali ndoda ingiphe nje imali ngoba ngazi imali emhlabeni angiphe nje imali akundo destined
ufuna izinto naye anganazo uyi-domestic worker cha uthi ufuna 3000 yini uyayithola yena lo 3000 ngemali
Good question.
angena 9 to 5
This thing hurts more than a breakup in a relationship. Yo. It doesn't last long. Yo. Yona libhlungu man kubetheka ngombalo. Sekubetheka ngombalo. Yabo ke lo ipain. That's the real pain. It's way too hot. Nozal. Acting like I don't know what's the problem. Give up. Abekasoze nibambe mina dema asoze. Ungabuyi umva funa ujike. Hayi man. Yes, nawe kanjani?
Nje abantu uzawaphayana. Yeah. Akekho uhambile nechomi yakhe.
Akekho fundi.
Songena phinda aphume njani? Ayazi kuphinda aphume itrek imkile. Bathi ceba ndabahamba. Wangena ungenile.
Basele ukwenza kanje ke. So kwenye level.
Ungenile. Hayi ungena kanjani uke apha kulomzi wanyuka pha.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
So, look clamping guy. Boni mesu. Yaqela wena. Guys, oyizama apha loo nto leyo sibone uba izophela isiphelo sayo soba njani.
Kodwa Sibu, I love you though. I love you. You love you, Nkulu?
Pendula Sibu.
Do you love me back?
Ngifuna leka bandile. Ngifuna leka bandile.
Jita lu papa so.
When my walls, so when my living so when down walls was so low, what my sentence there, banging gazi, yombona makoti, unyanua, yeah, you just let money.
Nansi Danita ke khona tene ngabafundisa lyrics.
Yelumbona bulizela wema proposi bulizela yelumbona bulizela wema proposi unyana wa helele ushara nafsa bulizela wema proposi sono no unyana wa mushatile
Jim Loy. Uyaza uyidake mos awuzazi nawe lyrics. Hayi boss hlaza ke.
Baby sweetie, shadi sana.
Yo. Hayi abantu bancimba isusu sisexy. Bancimba uba nenteje ku sexy. Jonga indlela abaleke ngayo. I hope you enjoyed today's video bafethu. Until the next one. Sure.